Hello again and welcome back. My name is Andrea. I am the crafting junkie, and if you're new here, you might want to go back and watch the beginning of the series because I start from the very beginning of what you need to learn to begin crocheting. If you are not new here and you're just continuing the series, welcome back and let's get started. Today we are talking about the double crochet. The double crochet is a taller stitch and it's perfect for scarves and blankets and so much more. So to get started, I want you to chain 12 stitches. The extra 2 stitches are to build the height for the next row. Once you have created your chain, I want you to come back to the video and we'll go over the next row. To start the next row, you are going to yarn over and you are going to insert your hook into the 4th chain from the hook. Then you will yarn over again, you're going to pull through, and then you will yarn over again. And you're just going to pull through 2 loops. You will then yarn over again and pull through the final 2 loops, and this will create a double crochet. Okay, so let's do that again. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next loop, yarn over again, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over again, and pull through the final 2 loops, and you have created a double crochet. Continue to do this in each chain across the row until you get to the end, making sure you're counting 10 double crochets. At the end of this row, you're going to chain 3 to turn your work, and then you're going to repeat step 2, which is to go in the 4th chain from your hook, counting back from the hook, 4 chains, and repeat your double crochet. And just continue to repeat these rows back and forth until you get the hang of it. And you will want to make sure that you are going under both loops. Someone showed me that was like scooping off the icing. If at any point you feel like your rows are getting shorter or longer, that means you're probably doing too little or too many double crochets, meaning you're probably not ending your rows correctly. Once you feel comfortable that you've mastered the double crochet stitch, let's go to the next video and watch that. That is going to be the treble or triple crochet stitch. As always, thank you for watching. If you'd like to subscribe and like, I much appreciate that. Consider clicking the notification bell so that you get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.